Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, we will learn about the revised format of MSME Form 1 Annexure that was notified on 15th July 2024 by Ministry of Corporate Affairs (MCA). Earlier, the MSME form had to be submitted on the V2 portal of MCA, where a PDF was uploaded with the Excel sheet of the required data attached to it. Now, the process has shifted to the V3 portal, where you can update the MSME Form 1 as a web form. MCA has also provided an annexure in Excel template format that needs to be downloaded, filled with the summary of each supplier, and then uploaded back in the portal along with the web form. The summary will list the details of all bills that are paid and outstanding within or after credit periods. To view the MSME Form 1 Annexure in TallyPrime, press Alt-G, go to, and type or select MSME Form 1 Annexure. In the MSME Form 1 Annexure, MSME suppliers are listed PAN-wise. In case more than one supplier has the same PAN, their details are consolidated and shown under a single PAN. You can drill down to view the different MSME suppliers listed under it. Press Escape to return back to report. All MSME parties are divided into two groups based on the availability of valid PAN and invalid or no PAN. For the MSME parties with invalid or no PAN, you can update valid PAN for the parties from the Ledger Alteration screen. To update or specify the PAN, select the party with invalid or no PAN and press Ctrl-Enter to open the Ledger Alteration screen. Enter the valid PAN details and save. Although the report appears in the PAN-wise view, you can also change the report to view it as per your business needs. Press F8 to view the report with ledger-wise bills details. Similarly, press Ctrl F8 to view the report with bill-wise details. However, you can export the MSME Form 1 Annexure report only in its default view, that is PAN-wise summary view. In the MSME Form 1 Annexure report, press Alt-E and select MSME Form 1 Annexure. If you have parties with both valid and invalid or no PAN, an information screen will pop up highlighting that the parties with invalid or no PAN will not be exported to MSME Form 1 Annexure template. Press B to go back to the MSME Form 1 Annexure report to update the party details with correct PAN. Press X to export the MSME Form 1 Annexure report. Press C to configure the report if needed. Let us press X to export. After export in TallyPrime, a message will prompt you to update the reasons for delay in payment for MSME parties in the MCA template. In the MCA template, you have to report all outstanding amounts that are due for more than 45 days and were settled after 45 days from the acceptance of goods or services. As the message gets displayed in TallyPrime, you will see the MCA Excel template opening on your screen by default with the pre-filled details. In the template, open the instructions sheet and make note of the steps given. Make those changes to the template file to be able to update the details in the file. Open the file again and go to MSME sheet. In case there are any values under the paid after 45 days or outstanding for more than 45 days columns, the text "Reason to be updated" will appear in the Reason for delay in payment or amount outstanding column. Update the relevant reasons under the reason for delay in payment or amount outstanding column as applicable against each MSME party. Press Ctrl S to save the file. Log into the MCA portal and upload the MSME Form 1 Annexure Excel template. If there are no values existing under the paid after 45 days or outstanding for more than 45 days columns, a message appears in TallyPrime informing the successful export of the MSME Form 1 Annexure. As you observed, you can view the MSME Form 1 Annexure in TallyPrime, export it to the MCA Excel template, and upload it to the V3 portal of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.